Good morning, everybody. How are you today? So, let's start. Well, actually, it's not morning anymore, but maybe you are watching it during the morning. So, good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Talk about education in Germany, admission to universities, how to make it in Germany. Today, we will talk about how to dodge blocked account. Verpflichtung erklären. Oh! Today we will talk about blocked account. What is the blocked account and how you can dodge it. What I mean with that is what are the alternatives for the blocked account, how you can make it possible not to open one, or in case you have no choice, where to open a blocked account. So the first question is it possible to study in Germany without blocked account? Yes, there are exceptions, and about these exceptions I will talk about today. If you already know what is a blocked account and you don't need to know the information about that, just skip to the part of the video where I explain about the alternatives to the blocked account. The Sperrkonto in German, which is blocked account in English, it is a mandatory requirement for German national visa for studies in Germany. So if you plan to study in Germany and your visa is above 90 days, so not Schengen tourist visa for below 90 days, you most probably will have to open this account. The problem is, or the challenge is that it takes time. So in Deutsche Bank it might take up to a few months, in Fintiba or in alternative banks it can take for a few weeks, so sometimes we're short on time and we would like to find some alternatives. Or in some cases students would not like to open a blocked account because securing accommodation deposit, paying for university, organizing the move to Germany is already expensive and you don't just have another 10,000 euro just to put somewhere in an account which you can't even access until you arrive in Germany. So it's perfectly understandable. But then let's understand the German side as well. There's a lot of students who are coming to Germany and they miscalculate their budget. And when they arrive, they underestimated the accommodations fees or living expenses, and they actually have no money to live in Germany. So Germany doesn't want that. For that reason, they created such a thing called blocked account to actually help you long term. This account is mandatory. You put in the German bank approximately 10,000 euro and you can withdraw when you arrive to Germany up to 853 euro now. So consider it your living expenses. When you're making a budget to study in Germany, simply calculate, okay, my living expenses are covered from this bank account and forget about it. To be able to extend your visa, you also have to have 10,000 euro on it again. So if, example, you arrive in October now, you start your studies and you apply for visa extension, they accept the confirmation that you have 10,000 euro on your account. But when your visa expires and you have to extend it again, you have to put on this bank account money again. So basically it's just easier just to keep it there, like forget about it, it's there, it's your security. Of course there are alternatives to blocked account because some students already have family or friends living in Germany, so for them the process is easier. Or if you do not have such money at all because you're being provided scholarship or funding from the German government, or you're sponsored by a company, then this is not required. And I will tell you exactly the tricks you need to know to dodge or waive the blocked account. For the last 10 years, I consulted around 1,000 students and I have seen a lot of different scenarios with German embassies, so I know a few of the possibilities of you dodging the blocked account. First thing you need to do is check if you qualify for a waiver for the blocked account. Check all the options. If you do not match any of these requirements, then open the blocked account. So here I will tell you right now which banks you can open the blocked account in, and that can be Deutsche Bank. Everything will be available in the comment section below. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel in here. And of course, write your comments, questions, concerns in the comment section. I will be happy to answer them. I will be happy to consult you. So don't worry, reach out, don't be afraid. I am replying to everybody. Even if I can't help you, I will tell you who can help you and I will direct you there. By the way, there is a new law in Germany, active since 1st of September, that the amount of the blocked account increased, where you can open the blocked account. Deutsche Bank, Fintiva, Expatrio, and Oracle right now. So these are the most widely open accepted German online banks where you can open the blocked account and then access it when you arrive to Germany. In some banks, you open the account online. In the other banks, you have to send your documents per post. And when you arrive in Germany, you have to access them through different German banks. So you read a lot about each of the bank accounts in advance to make sure you make the right choice. Take a look at how much they cost, how long the process takes, and general feedback from the international students. Generally, the whole education abroad point is about research. Research a lot before you make any move or decision, so you can minimize your risk. There's also a few nationality-specific banks. As an example, if you're from India, you can open a blocked account in Kotak Mahindra Bank. And if you're from Turkey, you can open an account in Bank. Colombian students I know have a different bank as well. So there's a lot of opportunities there. I come from Russia. In my country, in some embassies, you actually don't have to open a blocked account at all. I didn't tell you that. So it's really subjective, but security-wise, better open it, because if you go for visa appointment and you don't have it, they can send you back. So don't risk, just do it. You know, everybody doesn't do it. In Pakistan, you can use UBL Bank as an example as well. So make sure to check in the German embassy website the different options of the banks they accept. So there might be more alternative options there. Generally, every student is allowed to open a blocked account in any German bank, but some of them don't accept you until you actually arrive in Germany. In the description of the video, there will be a link where you can check if you need to open a blocked account before coming to Germany, or if you need to open a blocked account after arriving to Germany. As an example, for students from the US, Japan, Korea, Australia, Canada, Brazil do not have to open a blocked account before coming to Germany. So make sure to check if you actually need it. Probably you should do it as the first thing before thinking about anything else. So the process is the following. First, check your nationality, if you need to apply for a blocked account before arriving to Germany or not. Second, check if you qualify for a waiver program to waive the blocked account, if you match one of the requirements to have your blocked account waived. And if you do not, then step number 3, choose the bank, the proper bank to make the blocked account. And number 4, actually open it and transfer the money. There is a belief that you can only open blocked account with the offer letter, which is a final offer letter, and many educational agents will pressure you into paying the deposit fees for universities in order to get a blocked account. This is not true. You can apply for blocked account with conditional offer letter before paying anything. The blocked account only needs a reason for you to open it. Reason is conditional acceptance at the university. Don't pay anything yet to universities. Apply to as many schools as you want to apply. Secure the offer letters and only then pay to the school, the deposit fee, the school that you really want and dream of going to. The blocked account is open for a reason. In your case, the reason is education in Germany. So to be able to close the blocked account, the reason must not be fulfilled. It means you actually didn't get the final offer letter, you got your visa denied, or you got expelled. But if you get expelled, then you have to leave the country. So you're only in Germany on the basis of national visa to study in Germany. So blocked account is together with your acceptance in university, is together with your visa. The moment one side is not complete, then the blocked account can be accessed, the money can be taken, and you can peacefully leave the country. Or unless if you never arrived, then you don't need to do anything else. How does the blocked account normally work? You open an account online, you fill out all the forms. If you're below 18, then your parents have to fill out the forms. And then you wait for confirmation until the blocked account is open. The next step is to transfer your money. You need to transfer your money, and it's approximately 10,000 something right now. And secondly, in some banks, you will be required to provide a proof where the money is coming from your parents, from your income, I don't know, from some people who decided to just give you money. Miracles happen. Allocate approximately 2 weeks to 1 month time for the blocked account opening. So the moment you seriously decided to look for university and apply, this is the time when you have to monitor your visa appointment and blocked account choice, so you don't miss out and you are in time for the visa. What I normally recommend my students, as an example, if you have appointment on the 1st of November, by 1st of October, make sure your blocked account is open, just in case. Also keep in mind that in Germany, 2 big intakes, well actually there is 1 big intake, is September, where the majority of students are coming, but then there's also February, March, so the queues for September and the queues for February are huge. So don't be one of the many, apply in between. When you apply for visa, the confirmation you have 10,000 euro on your blocked account is one of the documents required. So to apply for a visa, you have your documents from education and your history, acceptance from university, unconditional offer letter, it means after paying the deposit, and blocked account confirmation. So these 3 documents are the decision-making basis for the German embassy to grant you visa. And now we're coming to the best part of the video. How do I make it happen that I don't have to open the blocked account at all? So the first option is you have a scholarship. So scholarship is a letter from a university or a business or I don't know, institution in Germany or institution in Europe that they are taking care fully of your accommodation and your education. I had a case with a student who had a scholarship for studies from university and provision from a company to cover his fees. So these 2 documents together help him to get the visa super fast within 1 month, and he didn't have to open blocked account at all, ever. The second alternative for you is to have a loan, so a confirmation that a company or insurance company or the bank or bank in your country have provided you with enough sum or have granted you a loan to study, and example, money will go directly to your institution for studies. So as long as there is financial confirmation that secures your studies for a year or 2, then it should be fine. But be very careful, because everything is very subjective in the eyes of German embassy. If they feel that something is suspicious, they can make you open it anyway. So don't count on my advices 100%, count on them 89.9%, because this is the common practices throughout the last 10 years. If you have confirmation from scholarship or funding, make sure it comes from the reputed institution like DAAD or Max Planck Institute as an example, and the sum must cover your living expenses. Last but not least, and this is the easiest to do, it takes 30 minutes and it costs 30 euros if you have any relatives or friends or family members, 10 friends, besties, who earn at least 2,500 euro per month, which is approximately 1,600 euro after tax per month. And if they can give you an invitation, so they must live in Germany, they can give you an invitation. It's called Verpflichtungserklärung. It's called Verpflichtung. So this is the word I do not really like much. Verpflichtungserklärung. So they have to do this document in Kreisverwaltungsreferat or a different Ausländer office, so a different office for aliens in Germany. It means that your relative needs to go to the office and apply for invitation for you. He or she has to have your contact details, your passport copy, and 3 latest salary confirming they have been working in Germany for the last 3 months and earning this minimum sum. So this invitation they do within half an hour, it takes half an hour personally. They pay 25 euro, 30 euro, and they get an original beautiful paper which you have to send to you. To your country for DHL Express or Alternative Express shipment, and with that document, instead of blocked account, you can apply for the study visa. Important is that people who have invitation like that have priority treatment. So do the people with scholarships, by the way. They're always treated better. Their applications treated faster and better, and normally 19 working days. Because if it's a scholarship, it means you're a talented student. If there is an invitation from a relative, there is this financial stability, because if they can find you, they can find your relative. In case you have any problems in Germany with finances and whatnot, they can find your relative. So that's why it's more secure. For that reason, the visa is treated with priority. The invitation basically says that that person will take care of your expenses in case something happens. There are two solutions to that you just keep the invitation and you use it when you arrive to Germany and you extend visa with that. But sometimes the relatives are a bit hesitating, so what they do is they cancel it when you arrive to Germany, and you are required to open a blocked account after arrival. So this is one of the alternatives as well. So it's a secure situation for your relatives and for you as well. So that's it for now. I hope that helps, and stay tuned to more videos coming soon, and I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if there's anything. By the way, if you know alternative options to the blocked account, any more banks, any more walkthroughs, please let us know in the comment section so other people can actually use it. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.